Hello, my name is Akirito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Rolling in the Deep by Adele. First I'm going to explain chords and later I'm gonna sing for you so that you can get some ideas how it goes. So first I'm going to teach you how to play each chord. The first chord you need to know is A minor. With a middle finger on the second fret of the top string, that's A minor. The next chord you need to know is A7. With your point finger on the first fret of the third string, from bottom, 1, 2, 3, third string, that's A7. And the next chord is A sharp. That's a bit hard one, so yeah, have to practice it, I think. So with the point finger bar, put your finger over first fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your ring finger on the third fret of the fourth string, top string. Okay, that's A sharp. Yeah, that's hard. So if you didn't, press your point finger hard enough, it will be like this. So press it with, a little bit of pressure, and then it sounds better. So, okay, practice until you can get this sound. Okay. So the next chord is C. This one, it's easy. With your ring finger on the third fret of the first string, that's C. The last chord is D minor. With your point finger on the first fret of the second string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the top string, and with your ring finger on the second fret of the third string, that's D minor. So that's the old chords you need to know. And now I'm going to explain the strumming patterns. The strumming pattern is basically like this. So I'm gonna use D minor as an example. Goes like this. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch to bring me out the door. It goes like this. So just down, 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 down. That's the strumming patterns. Yeah, believe it or not, it works really well. So here is the singing part. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch to bring me out the dark. Finally, I can see your crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how I know it you should bet. See how I live in every piece of you. Don't underestimate the thing that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching no fever pitch to bring me out the dark. The scars your love remind me of us. They keep me think that while we almost had it all. The scars your love leave me blessed, as I can't help feeling we couldn't hide it all. Running in the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn ukulele instrumental, I have a lot of instrumental videos as well, so you can check out from my channel home, and you can see a whole bunch of options you can learn. So yeah, if you're interested, please try, and
learn ukulele effectively. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.